Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to show you one possible example of creating such a walking cycle animation. Now, PowerPoint is not perfect for that, but let me show you what's possible and one of the easiest techniques I know for doing so. At first, you will need a walking cycle. In this case, I went to vecteezy.com because they have a really cool vectors and plenty of them are for free if you credit them. And I used this lumberjack because I really like this dude. He's very well drawn. I got not only vectors, but I got the JPG file for that. So I used the JPG file. I went to a new slide. In my case, it's a black slide. I put this JPG in here and I've separated 4 instances of this dude. In PowerPoint, if you have a picture, a JPG picture or a PNG picture, you can first go to crop. I'm cropping the first scene because I need 4 frames of this guy. So I'm cropping the first frame. Okay, crop. Then I'm picking remove background. I'm coming a bit closer, and as you can see, it nearly perfectly removes everything automatically. I just need to select mark areas to keep. I want to keep his head, keep his axe, keep his shoes. Obviously, I need to really look closely, and a part of his axe is deleted. Well, it's okay if you do it at least that way. All right. You want to say keep changes, and you want to separate the other frames as well. How to do this? Ctrl D, just take the next frame, go to remove background, and you need to discard all changes. Then you need to take crop, move one character along, crop, and remove the newly existing background. We need to remove the X, we need to remove this part is already removed. So again, you want to select mark areas to keep. You keep this, you keep this, you keep the X, you keep the shoes, and you are practically ready to go. Keep changes, and you want to separate 4 of those frames. Okay, after a while you have separated frames. I want to select all frames I have. In my case, those are 4 frames. You want to click on animation and you want to select appear. After that, you want to select add animation, disappear. Right now, it's a matter of putting the same animations behind the same pictures. Okay, here, here, and here. So I have appear, disappear, appear, disappear, appear, disappear. Now I need to make sure, since this time this guy is going from the right side to the left side, I want this animation to be first, and it's happened to be the last. So let me place it as the first. Then this animation needs to be the second, after picture 7. This animation needs to be the third, and this guy is like the end of my walking cycle. The closer I bring this guy, the smoother the animation will be. Okay, let me align this just a tiny bit better. All right, I want to select now the last and the first animation by holding down my shift key, and I want to select right click after previous. This means after the first animations end, the next animations will start to play. So this is exactly what I want. I want the animation to continuously play. The only adjustment I need to make, because right now he would appear and disappear at the same moment, I want to give it a slight delay. I want to select all red animations by holding down my left control key. Red, red, red. Okay, here I selected green. And I want to give it a delay of 0.1 second. You can see all animations shift a little, and we are basically done with our walking animation. I want to take this guy on the very right side, and I want to quickly preview if I done everything correctly. Okay, the walking cycle looks pretty fine to me. What I need to do, I need to press Ctrl D, bring this guy here, Ctrl D, oh sorry, a little save pop-up popped up, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. PowerPoint is doing the rest for us. So what do we have now is an animation like that. As you can see, I just gave here a background and a few green hills, since this crazy lumberjack is walking towards his forest to get things. Done. He's having a beautiful morning. He's walking very peacefully. Thank you for watching, and now it's time for you to create your own walking cycle.